पर्यावरण के असंतुलन के कारण हमारे दैनिक जीवन की कई चीजें प्रभावित हुईं और ग्रामीण इलाकों में जिंदगी हाशिए पर आने लगी थी। एनसीएल के भरसक प्रयासों के बाद नए जीन्स तैयार करके भेड़ों की एक ऐसी नई नस्ल तैयार की जिससे आज भेड़ पालक उनसे मिलने वाले बालों की क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी को बेचकर पहले से 3-4 गुना आमदनी कर रहे हैं।
We attempted to carry out some research in case of sheep in collaboration with an agricultural institute, Nimkar Agriculture Research Institute. We two worked together on enhancing the genetic productivity of sheep. So we tried to enhance the productivity by research first, and then it was achieved and a new sheep breed was developed. We named it as Nari Suvarna.
The FEC-B or Barula gene is originally from the Indian Garol breed of Sundarban, and these sheep were taken to Australia in about 1792, and then the merino sheep in Australia were found to have high litter sizes because these sheep had bred with the merino sheep in Australia. And the high litter sizes were found in the merino sheep in about the 1960s and 70s. And later on, the CSIRO in Australia discovered that the high litter sizes or twins and triplets were due to this single gene. Now the DNA test for testing for this gene is carried out at the Nari's laboratory, but earlier it was NCL where this genotyping of the lambs was done.